Hi, today I want to show you the video takeover software, and I want to show you how I use it. So, as you know, with video takeover you can insert call to action bars and boxes to any other page, like an affiliate sales page or any other. You can insert a call to action or a box to a blog post if you want, so you have more choices. With this you can increase your conversion, you can make more sales, offering a bonus, you create a bonus video where you offer something as a bonus, and you can insert this bonus video as a boxes direct to the sales page of your affiliate link. So but I will show you now only how I use it. This boxes a feature of video takeover on my own blog. So this is my blog about softwares, and I will create an offer with a box to my blog, and this box with any video will appear on my wall blog, so you will see soon. So I will choose an affiliate offer here, click give, and here is the sales page, and I want to promote this on my blog and as a special offer. If it is very good option if a product launches and has an early bird discount, you can use to promote this offer on your own blog, as you will see. So I copy my link and I will show you how I make that. My boxes, click here my boxes, and I create a new box. So I will choose a name, give a headline, in example, get this offer with early bird discount, or what you want, and I will choose this video, and I copy this code from the end of the URL of the video that I want to insert to the box, and here insert the code, and you will see now that this video appears here. You can choose where to appear the box, left or right, how to play the video. I think it is good to set up for yes, and use timer, and in this case you can set up the timer until the discount price is going up. So choose the date, you can choose the hour, and here is the use button, yes, and you can upload a custom button if you want. Here you can choose a button graphic if you want a special other button, but here is a lot of buttons like claim your bonus, click here, download now, get it now, and many others. So I will choose this. Get it now. This button. So video and text. You can insert here any text when the video is ending. After a text will appear there. I will leave empty here, and the redirect URL will be my affiliate link, and I put this here, and I am ready with this. I will save it, and you will see. You can see here in this button your stats. Now I created that, so no stats here yet. But as you see in other campaigns, I have some hits. You can choose your stats. You can watch your text stats here. So here is the my campaign, and here is the embed code what I choose, and here is three options: timed trigger, exit intent trigger, and onload trigger. Time trigger, you can select different seconds when the boxes appear, after 10 seconds, 10 seconds or more, or you can choose exit intent trigger. This is the exit intent pop-up when the visitor will want to close the page, then will appear the box. I like to use the onload trigger. With this option, the boxes appears when the visitor comes to your site direct. So I will choose this onload trigger and copy this code, and I will use on my blog, and I click on my dashboard, and here on your WordPress blog you can use on your appearance and widgets section, and here in your dashboard in the widget section you can insert where you want, on your home page sidebar or your post sidebar or page sidebar. I will choose this and I will insert the code, a text part here. I will put here, and I will put the code here. And because I put here on the post sidebar, this box will appear on every post what I have on my blog. So you will see what I made now. So I will save it, and I will show you how it looks. I will click to one of my posts, and you will see that the box with the video.
I'm about to show you how you can leverage the world's largest
call to action with the countdown timer appears on my blog post. And when I click to another post, it is already appearing.
I'm about to show you how you can leverage the...
And with this function, with this method, how I use without takeover, I can make a special offer with trending products what launching now and have an early bird discount or some top seller products I can offer for every visitors of my blog. So this is the method how I use without takeover. Bye.